Have to admit, this one made me think twice as well. If A and B are independent events with probability of A 0.5 and probability of B 0.7, then the probability that A occurs or B occurs or both occur is, and then you've got to select something. Well, if we use our Venn diagram, this is what it looks like. So A is 0.5, probability of A, use the correct, probability of B equals 0.7. To calculate the probability of both of these occur, or in this particular case, if they say then the probability that A occur or B occur or both occur, that we're looking at union. A occur or B occur or both occur is the union. Now we can use straight the formula, which is the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A intersect B. In other words, add this whole A in, the probability of A plus the probability of B, but then subtract this middle section, otherwise you count it twice. So we need to calculate this, and fortunately we know the probability of A intersect with B is the probability of A multiply with the probability of B, and in this particular case is 0.35. Happy with that? So if we now go back to the probability of A union with B equal the 0.5 plus 0.7 minus 0.35. This gives me 1.2 minus 0.35 gives me 0.85. Is that the answer that we got? Indeed, that's what the feedback says is the correct answer. How can I explain it yet another way? But I think the basic thing is it's the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of the two together. And to calculate that, you need the intersection. And the intersection is given to us by multiplying the probability of A times the probability of B, which gives me 0.35. And then I stick this back into that formula, and that gives me 0.85. But it's also good to have an understanding using a Venn diagram.